Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. It is our third week of gratitude journaling, which is hosted by our sweet Creating with Jovi and Cindy A. Lewis. They ended up creating printables, and I know that Cindy A. Lewis's are on her Ko-Fi and Jovi's are up on her Etsy, as well as some freebies up on their Facebook, so be sure and check out all of those links. Be sure and check out their wonderful digital kits. They are so good, and I know that even Cindy had provided us with some journaling prompts just to kind of help you out in case you are wondering what to journal about in the month of November, which I know is coming to a close very quickly. But anyways, you guys, so I will be journaling in this journal that is some giveaway winnings that I won from Kathy over at Kathy's Favorite Things. I had featured it in the first week and the second week. So let's go ahead and flip to the third week. I've been journaling in my journal like crazy. You could probably see how thick it's already starting to be. It's so super cute. So Kathy, thank you so very much. I have been using my journal and just journaling all the cuties that my sweet friends send me. So this one is what sound from nature soothed you, and last week was which is your favorite family recipe. So yeah, if you missed last week's, it'll be linked down below so you guys can check it out. We also have several creators as well participating in this collaboration, so be sure and have a look over at their channel. Have a little channel hop. Alright you guys, so for what sound from nature soothes you, I ended up trying to find images and sweet little like poems that I could incorporate into my journal, but I didn't find a poem that was good enough, and I did not have a lot of images that had to do with rain, but rain is ultimately what I ended up landing on. And I put down here, oh how it poured with rain. So I essentially took one of the children's books that I had, and I fell in love with this little image of this little boy sleeping, and I thought it was so sweet because he's sleeping through rain, and it's talking about on a Wednesday what he dreamt about, and I think his name is Hyalmar, and it's talking about a little adventure that he goes on in his dream. And I just fell in love with how sweet and cozy he just looks and so peaceful, and that's essentially how I feel when it rains. I just feel so cozy and at peace. And then there was this little image of rain as well on the side, and so I took it and made it into a little collage, which it was super neat that while I was journaling about this, because I was supposed to do this all yesterday, but I didn't get around to it. I ended up having a huge headache, and so I had to put it off. And usually I like to work on things like as I feel inspired. So it kind of worked out. So yesterday I did my poem, and then today, as I was working on like more of the imagery portion of my spread, it started to rain, and so I took some of that footage, which I'm hoping that it will be quite soothing enough to place behind in the background of this video. I think that'd be super cool. But in my poem, I wrote God's beautiful soothing symphony. Nature's peaceful showers are so tender and calm. Your drops gracefully stroke my closed eyes and face. Each droplet creates a soothing, beautiful rhythm, and even the trees' leaves accompany your relaxing cadence with their gentle rustling drumline. As small streams begin to form, a new flowing melody emerges. This is one of God's most beautiful healing songs, written by yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the spread. Thank you so very much for spending time with me and you know, taking time to look at my journaling spread. Oh, and then before I forget, Jovi sent me some cute little die cuts of hearts, and so I kind of glued them together, and then I ran a little stitch through them and pasted them on the edge of my book here, of my journal page, and I think it turned out so pretty. So, alright you guys, that's going to wrap it up for me. I hope y'all have a lovely rest of y'all's day. Y'all please take care, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye!